Hello, my name is Emily Delozier and I'm the Global Product Manager for Cooling at nVent HOFFMAN. Today we're here to talk about HOFFMAN's latest cooling product, the 4x filter fan shroud. These shrouds provide a higher level of protection for all of HOFFMAN's Type 12 filter fans for industrial applications where wash down and water may be present. However, if you're in an application that has corrosive elements in the air or high humidity, HOFFMAN suggests that you use a closed loop solution like a heat exchanger or an air conditioner. Though HOFFMAN is not the first to the market with this type of product, we do have a unique set of features that make us stand out. The new shroud features a sloped top, a wide open bottom with a slight baffle to prevent water ingress, but also provide maximum airflow to the filter fan. There is a blue silicone gasket, which is there for ease of cleaning, but also can be removed in case of damage. And last but not least, HOFFMAN has a patented hinge at the bottom that allows for easy change of filter. Usually when you have to change a filter, you need to take the entire shroud off, find a place on the ground or on a ladder or on top of the enclosure to rest the shroud, then change the filter media, then pick up the shroud again and put it back on. With HOFFMAN's new shroud, there's no need to do that. It just rests at a 45-degree angle, the same as the filter fan. So you just let the shroud rest, you open it up, change out the filter media, you put it back in, and the whole thing just goes right back on. By pairing HOFFMAN's Type 12 filter fans with our new 4x filter fan shroud, you can provide optimal cooling for your electronics for your specific application.